Hello everyone, welcome to this channel and welcome to my new lab. I've been setting up this lab since 6.5 to 7 months. I've bought few components, few instruments to make some prototypes around and try to make some products which I have in my head. And while I do all of this, I'll be recording all the sessions, all the things I'll be learning along the way, and also share it across with you guys. If you remember, last like 2 years back, we talked about electronic components. We talked about electronic sensors, what kind of sensors do we have, how to integrate those sensors, how are those sensors made, and what are the protocols on which they work, and everything else. Last year, we talked about the coding section, we talked about embedded systems, we talked about machine learning. We implemented machine learning in one of the playlists. So you guys can check that out if you want. And now this year we'll be talking about mechanical systems. We'll talk about what is the principle of mechanics. The mechanical systems we'll be talking about. What is the inside of those components? How are those made? How to choose the right equipment, right component for your particular product or your particular project or prototype. And we'll go through all of that in this particular year. So stay tuned and thanks for watching.